Okay, what we got here is a 2021 Basso Diamante SV, built with Campagnolo super record 12-speed EPS with Bora WTO 45 paired with Veloflex Corsa tubeless setup, and we have the Selle Italia Tekno saddle. What I got here is 5339 170 mil crankset, and got a 180 front rotor in there. And there's a story behind that. When I was trying to build this frame set, I got this frame set back in February, and I think it's the early batch from Basso. And a lady messaged me on Facebook telling me to check the mounting holes on the frame and the fork, because she was building the same frame that she got earlier. And she told me that the Campagnolo calipers doesn't work with the frame set. So I checked it, and a 160 calipers, stock calipers from Campagnolo, is too short. It's too short in there. So I did some testing, and I said 180. So the holes are drilled 180 for a Campagnolo, but it works for Basso told me that it works with Ceram or Shimano, and that's what happened. Even the back is supposed to do a 140. That's a 140 caliper, and I'm running a 160. And look, I don't have an adapter on it, which is basically the drill hole on those calipers are for a 160 if you're using a Campagnolo. And I was gonna return it. The Basso told me to return it, and you know, it's gonna be a pain to return this. So I ended up keeping it. If I want to run a 160 in the front, I have to use basically a caliper, a stock caliper like 140, and then you run an adapter. You know those adapters that flips 140 and 160, but you have to flip it on 140 to run a 160. Frame is beautiful. That's a 130 mil stem. And this is a 2021 chameleon color. It's like a bluish and purple on it. And this will be a bike for myself, not for my friends. And here you go. Hope you enjoy it. And hopefully to ride this bike next weekend, because tomorrow it's going to be raining here in New Jersey. So no riding. Here you go, 2021 Basso Diamante SV, size 51, size 51. There you go.